welcome to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create a smooth speed ramp transition in After Effects. Let's get started. First, make sure you have your video clip in the timeline. Right-click on the video, go to Time and select Enable Time Remapping. This will allow us to create keyframes that control the speed of the clip. Next, you'll see two keyframes appear on your clip, one at the start and one at the end. These keyframes mark the start and end of your video. You can adjust the timing by moving these keyframes along the timeline. Position them where you want the speed ramp to begin and end. Now, select both keyframes and press F9 on your keyboard to apply Easy Ease. This will smooth out the speed changes between the keyframes. To refine the speed ramp, go to the Graph Editor. Here, you can adjust the speed graph to make the transition smoother. Drag the handles of the keyframes to create a curve that speeds up or slows down the motion. Take some time to experiment with the curve until you achieve the desired effect. Once you're happy with the speed ramp, enable frame blending on your video. This will help smooth out the transition even more by blending the frames during the speed changes. Just click the frame blending icon next to your clip in the timeline. Now, repeat the same process for your second video clip. Create the speed ramp at the opposite position to match the first clip, and don't forget to enable frame blending on this clip as well. To add an extra touch of smoothness, you can apply a CC Force Motion Blur effect to both clips. Go to the Effects and Presets panel, search for CC Force Motion Blur, and drag it onto your clips. Set the motion blur samples to around 20 for a nice, smooth motion. And there you have it. Your speed ramp transition is ready. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.